All parents want to talk about the berry phase, but I fear that I have come into a new phase that nobody talks about. I bought a 10-pack on Friday. They're all gone. It's Monday. But I mean, like, while we're here, might as well take a walk around. I did want to go up to the new Costco in our area this week, but it's just not in the cards this week, you know? Coincidentally, Carl just texted me and said that we're out of laundry detergent. I always like to get some type of clear one for the kids. And then I like to get like a fun one for Carl and I. Just like something with a scent, you know? We run the dishwasher twice a day, let's be honest. You could really never have enough wipes, you know? Especially when you got kids. You could always use some of these wipes. La-di-da, la-di-dee. I did notice that this BJ's did put in a new little refrigerated section. Kind of resembles like a Costco. They're trying to compete. I think they're trying to compete. I'm feeling a little competition. Kennedy's in a cucumber phase. Love peppers. I would get the pouches, but one of our local grocery stores just had a big sale on them, so I got a bunch like a couple days ago. So we don't need them. We do need butter though. We could always use butter. We always need butter, let's be honest. It's a sign that I should be getting more than one. Oh. Those are new. I would get them, but there's no room in my freezer right now. There is no room. I'm just being honest. I'm being honest. All right, I'm thinking I am gonna get these for the kids. And then for me, these are actually really good in wraps or on salads. I know what y'all are thinking. So I didn't have room for the pancakes in the freezer, but I've got room for all the chicken. The answer is yes. Yes, I do. I don't need it. I don't need it. Someone tell me I don't need it. The kids currently are loving elbow pasta, so I'm gonna get these. I'm gonna be completely honest. That mac and cheese is not for the kids. That's for me. All right, that is where I draw the line. My sister loves blueberry coffee, and I'm gonna tell y'all what I tell her all the time. If you like blueberry coffee, I don't trust you. I don't trust you. That's just how it is. That's just how the cookie crumbles. I love a good mayo. Listen, if I was gonna try something for the first time and buy a large bottle here at BJ's, it's gonna be this. I trust him. I trust him. I need some shampoo for me. Yep, I'm actually just gonna get 2 conditioners because if you have long hair, you know that you go through conditioner twice as fast as shampoo, and I have 3 bottles of shampoo at home and no conditioner. Carl also said that we do need some hand soap. What's going on here? What's going on here? We find some leftover Christmas stuff, or you're joking? The best flavor of Oreos, besides the original, this morning. Listen, Kennedy loves Oreos. She's just like her mom. She is just like her mom. And one last thing. Oh no, I forgot that the pack and plays were in the trunk. Well, the good news is we got the mini muffins and we saved about $3 because we bought them here instead of the grocery store. So that's awesome. My husband's gonna be so excited about that cost savings. I'm just gonna hide this. I'm gonna send my husband this picture. Honey, I got the muffins. And I got a little snackaroo for the ride home, of course. Somehow that ended up turning into a household restock, but you know what? Now we have everything we need for the month. So I will talk to you guys later. Happy Monday. Bye.